Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to make a video on how to ship with Depop. My name is Honeyberry and I'm a verified seller on Depop. I have been on the app for 5 months now and have shipped over 530 packages. I currently have more than 230 reviews, with a lot of them talking about how quick my shipping is. I wanted to make a video to help as many Depop sellers as possible on how to ship. I have watched a lot of videos on this topic when I first started, and most of them were very confusing to me. That's why today I present to you my guide for Depop shipping. I promise you shipping can be fast, simple, and not as expensive as you might think.
First off, you'll need the following items: a kitchen scale, packaging tape, measuring tape, some poly mailers, plastic or recycled, and a printer. Take the item that you sold, fold it nicely, place it into a poly mailer. You can also add a thank you note, but it's optional. Next, you're just going to go onto your computer. Trust me, don't use your phone. Log into PirateShip. What is PirateShip, you ask? A better version of Depop and PayPal shipping. Make an account with them. It takes about a minute. Copy the buyer's address and paste it onto PirateShip. See how simple it is? Select the type of packaging, poly mailers. Now measure and weigh your package. This order weighs 14 ounces and measures 12 by 8 inches. Simply put the information in. Click Get Rates. And there you have it. Just print the label and tape it onto the poly mailer. Finally, you can drop the package off at any USPS Dropbox location. No need to wait in line for hours. USPS will take care of the rest.
Why is this way of shipping better than any other, you ask? Here's a chart comparing Depop PayPal as well as PirateShip shipping prices. Feel free to pause the video to look at the charts in detail. Links are going to be down in the description below. Do you know that this video stems from my own experience and is not in any form sponsored by PirateShip? After comparing these charts, we can see that Depop is way more expensive, and PayPal and PirateShip have very similar prices except for packages over £1. PirateShip offers business rate prices, which are about the lowest that you're going to get. But on top of that, they also offer amazing prices for packages over £1, which is very convenient for Depop sellers who like to ship jeans, sweaters, shoes, and bundles. Priority Mail Cubic is a secret service that you won't find at your local post office. The pricing for Priority Mail Cubic depends on the dimensions of your package and not the weight. As long as your package is under 20 pounds, you won't have to worry about overpaying for shipping anymore.
Finally, here are 2 tips to improve your shipping, as well as a third one in the description below. Write thank you notes. It lets the buyer know that you care about them and that you will be there if there are any problems with their order. Doing so will skyrocket your 5-star reviews. You can custom print ones online or just handwrite them if you're still starting out. Here are the ones that I'm currently using. Get yourself a paper cutter and a tape dispenser. It's going to make the shipping process way faster.
If you would like to see a more detailed video on how I package my orders, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out my website for trendy pieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.
Calling you, send me. Calling you, send me. I know you do. Send me. I know you do.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out my website for trendy pieces.